Find or read reviews that people are talking about. PIAA 26-07106, RF series, 6-inch hybrid beam LED light bar kit, color white. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. The innovative design offers significantly improved lighting and beam control compared to conventional LED and halogen lamps with forward-facing bulbs. The result is greater visibility for drivers. PIAA's Advanced Reflective Facing Technology, short is RFT. PIAA's exclusive computer-designed, multi-surface reflector concentrates and focuses the beam pattern of the rearward-facing LED bulbs more precisely than forward-facing LED lamps. RFT is featured in PIAA's RF series LED lights. PIAA LED lamps provide huge output, but with lower power consumption than conventional LED and halogen lamps. They light the road with brilliant colors that are clearly visible to oncoming traffic, providing an added measure of driving safety. The lamps are compact and durable, with the cast aluminum housings and polycarbonate lenses. The PIAA RF6, 6-inch LED light bar features reflector-facing LEDs that project off of an ingenious computer-designed multi-surface reflector offering more illumination than forward-facing LED lights. The RF6 kit includes 1 light mounting brackets and complete wiring harness and detailed installation instructions. Bulb type, 2 8-watt LED bulbs, with 6000 K color temperature for a pure white output. The low-profile design is made up of a cast aluminum housing with high-strength polycarbonate lens. The modular mounting design allows for all RF series lights to be connected together to achieve desired length for a wide range of applications. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.